Look at the 2022 Bronco Everglades factory-installed snorkel and winch. Serious equipment for one of the more serious Bronco variants. On top of the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor, the Everglades is another functional special package that Ford will offer its customers. However, instead of being made for high-speed desert running, the Everglades is designed to get you around the trails least traveled, where roads might not be fully formed, deep water crossings that you must ford, no pun intended, and where you might need a little extra climbing help. The last two have been confirmed by Ford in a tweet saying that a snorkel and factory-installed winch on the Bronco heavy-duty modular bumper are coming. Limited Everglades details. The details were teased out on Bronco Nation with images of a camouflage tester and showed more than just the snorkel and winch as part of the Everglades package. The tires have been upgraded to a set of LT 315/70 R17 Goodyear Territory MT, which should be good for a 35-inch tall tire and includes the spare. The wheels will also be unique to the Everglades package. A new set of flares that appear to be unique to the Everglades and molded in color might look wider and flatter than the standard flares. The teaser also shows an installed roof rack on the mic hardtop roof, and the side mirror also appears to be mic, just like the standard Bronco. They also mention that the tester is outfitted with the dealer-installed optional sliding tailgate, which mounts to the rear cargo area and slides out for a place to sit or set stuff. We'd say that is a great option to go for, considering the Bronco has a swing gate. Factory-installed winch and snorkel. However, it's the snorkel and factory-installed winch will have people drooling over the Everglade edition. Not only does it take the hassle out of installing those parts yourself, especially lining up the snorkel and getting its mounts just right, but that it's not an afterthought or extra expense after your Bronco purchase. A worn winch is plainly seen from the tester picture sitting just behind the grille protection bar of the Ford heavy-duty modular bumper. We can't exactly tell which winch it is, but it looks similar to the worn winch kit offered by Ford. It's a dealer-installed accessory and rated for 10,000 pounds with its 100-foot worn Spydora synthetic winch line. How to know if you're overpaying on car insurance. The snorkel comes out and extends from the passenger side fender and up along the window frame. It hasn't been said just how much the factory-installed snorkel will increase the water fording ability of the Bronco. Currently, the standard version is capable of 31.5 inches of water fording, while the Sasquatch is good up to 33.5 inches of water. We'd have to imagine the snorkel would improve on that. It also wasn't mentioned if the snorkel could be factory deleted. As a Bronco Nation forum member mentioned, the Tacoma TRD snorkel was originally an option that could be installed, but was allegedly dropped after a low take from TRD Pro buyers. Not everyone wants a snorkel, even if it's useful in some situations. Full specs on the 2022 Everglades Bronco are expected to drop by Q1 of 2022, and the official launch is slated in the summer of 2022.